Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can troubleshoot buffering issues on your Pluto TV. So there are multiple ways that you can troubleshoot and can overcome lagging issue in your Pluto TV while playing any video. So for that, first of all, check your internet connection and ensure it's stable. You can restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. The other one is close and reopen the Pluto TV app. Also, clear the app cache in your device settings. It will also help you. Make sure the Pluto TV app is updated to the latest version. Restart your device. Also reduce the number of devices using the same internet. It may also help you. And if on a smart TV you are using, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So all these ways can help you to troubleshoot buffering issues on your Pluto TV. Thank you for watching.